The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall! Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show when police officers within Trinidad and Tobago had pulled over a vehicle, or you could say they stopped a vehicle and the persons within the vehicle had been searched. Now, according to what had been said about the video on social media, it is said that the vehicle that the police officers stopped or pulled over, it is said that the vehicle is a taxi, and some comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these police officers are wasting these persons' time. And some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying no, they are just doing their job. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if these police officers are wasting these persons' time or if they are doing their job. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Let me get my shot fit net. Pull my dead half. Net, take my shot.
Here's what's going on here.
Let me get my
Here's what's going on here this afternoon here on Trinidad and Tobago Road. There was no proceeding coming up the highway. This officer here driving this black Toyota Altis tried to cut across the taxi driver. This is the taxi driver here, and surround the vehicle with 4 vehicles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 officers. 8 officers. The officer, you be on the point. You can't say I'm not using obscene and I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm speaking to the Facebook right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 officers for nothing on the road this afternoon. That's the problem. This is how, whatever time it is, this is how TTP police, Trinidad and Tobago police officers is abuse the privilege. Their taxi, anything illegal, it could be a passenger only. Hey, what taking place here in the morning?
people.
The man at my right, the videotape, you all can search me, I have no problem.
Go ahead. Allow us to do our job, right? We are here. Nah, go ahead.
Well, you can go ahead.
We don't want this to be going beyond the thing. No. I don't want this to be you are entitled to watch what we are doing. You are entitled to watch what we are doing. Please, I am begging you, watch what we are doing. Well, we do your job too.
Yeah, I know they're working too, but you see that officer there? He been vindictive. He called her for nothing this afternoon. Make sure and see nothing in the work I go into Port Authority. I work 20-some years.
Alright, that's cool. Let's keep it.
I been on number right, me using no obscene and I'm videotaping what taking place here. I can park my wallet, in my pocket, put my money away, and I'm passing to go.
I take your money to go.
You sure? Alright. This is nonsense. This officer here. I fully well relaxed officer. Very well relaxed. What is your name again, sir? What you say your name is? Mr. What? Sergeant what? Sergeant Ribeiro causing this commotion here on the highway for no reason. Look, we are back up. Back up reach for a taxi driver. Everything correct and in order? The boss? Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Cooper.
It is your right to take.
Yes.
If you broadcast,
If I what?
if you broadcast that in public.
This going to my lawyer, straight to my lawyer, broadcasting to. Eileen, you know who it's going to. Eileen, you know who it's going to, Mr. Ribeiro, Sergeant Ribeiro.
It's not for no reason, right? To receive a report on Nigeria.
The report is because this man tried to cut over the taxi driver. That's the report. So you wasting police time this afternoon because he alone coming up the road and feeling less inferior.
We ain't intimidating you.
Yes, officer.
That's right. Stop and search anybody there.
Well, what I'm trying to let the police know, you're not wasting the time right now.
Yeah, what's going on, right? Go and look at the carrier. What if you do something illegal here?
No, all they're doing something, wasting time. The government, all they're wasting the taxpayer. I'm a taxpayer. All they're wasting the taxpayers' time. Yes, along the paying tax, along me using obscene. Me using obscene, and I'm not behaving in any arrogant manner. I can speak, officer. You can't be a man. I don't want to do. I don't want to do. You didn't say no good, but Officer Ribeiro, I want to. Right? Ribeiro. You don't know me? He's a fake officer or? Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to take the car.
My name is Anthony Thomas, Anthony Thomas. From the United States, right? If it's anything, we can go to the police complaint unit or we can call person's call and you understand? Because you know, it's that I want to see you do your thing. No, because look at the embarrassment you're causing me as a taxi.
For nothing. This afternoon.
I want to see. I want to see something.
Okay, probably you'd like to meet with this too, officer. You're doing the wrong thing. I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm not doing the wrong thing yet. So I've been noticed. I'm doing the wrong thing. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You ever speak on the car? You ever speak on the car to say that he was crossing 100? I'm now showing it, officer, my work ID. I am Cooper Port Authority. No, I don't have that permit to do. But this is Hiram Cooper Port Authority. My address number 70 Company Road, Indian Walk, Maruga. You look it up. 271983.
You going so too bad. You stupid man. I never knew you. I never 18 months I spent in Iraq after you were. I have seen service, but I never did taxi driving because I cannot find a job or they want me to stay. I'm 64 years old. Alright. I have to stay employed. You don't want me to stand up on the corner, right? And run
Of course, I give the officers my name and address long time. You don't mind telling me what station you're working at, Mr. Ribeiro? You don't mind telling me what station you're from, Mr. Ribeiro? You don't mind telling me what station or what division? Huh? You're Taruka. Okay then, thanks very much. Number 70 Company Road in Walk, Maruga. And now tell the officer, ask the co-worker. So you just been properly well vindictive this afternoon, this morning. Properly well. No explanation for this. I want to treat it, we all good, we public servants, and I treat we good. There's nothing else in the car, nothing illegal, and they're still consistent to be here doing nothing, wasting government, taxpayers' time, they're wasting taxpayers. I speaking to my phone, not to you. I'm not speaking to you, officer, I'm speaking to the people here right now. I gotta make sure, you have to make sure, officer. I know that, I'm glad you know that I'm not infringing on my rights right now. That taping is free. Taping as a citizen of Trinidad and Tobago is free. Thank you very much for letting me know that. I am aware of that, officer. Fully well aware. Wherever I can be placed, wherever my lawyer chooses to place it, that is up to him. After this, from Aruka station. That ain't nothing. He paid money. He's a working man too, just like all of us here. So I believe he's smart enough. Nonsense earlier on, boy. That people, I sure since we here, I just want to be real. Since we here, about 10 or 20 car pass here something illegal. What you all do it? One officer, sergeant, wasting all these police time here. All of them. The bike man, this one with the hat, all of them. One sergeant. Because I don't know why. I don't know if the man was with the girl, I don't know. One sergeant causing this. To waste all these officers' time here this afternoon, they are in a taxi car. A taxi. With working people going to work. Working class people going to work. So I'm a poser. I like pictures and I'm very photogenic, I'm very photogenic. I know that, Mr. Ribeiro. I'm real photogenic. If I'm a pose, I could pose. Wasting taxpayers' time here this morning. What time it is exact? 11:18. This Mr. Ribeiro, Sergeant Ribeiro, you say your name is, yes, he taping you, I taping you too. Let's make sure you ain't infringe on my rights as a Trinidad and Tobago citizen. That ain't nothing. You tape. I know I stupid. I know I stupid, Sergeant Ribeiro. You not stupid for wasting the police time this morning by having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 officers stop a taxi, including yourself. You not stupid for that. I stupid for taping you. You could say what you want, try to change your tongue, you hear it on the tape. You try to change your tongue, my lawyer real smart. Nonsense. Oh boy, what's that? I hope you really nonsense. Usually this person look like the movement a little calm and intuition. You understand? This man basically wasting. I know that. That's why I say that this man here wasting all their time because it has so much of time that could be going on and let it solve right now by this. Instead of this one gentleman, because he tried to overtake the taxi man, run him up, two of them doing 100, and he get, I don't know if it's a man thing, if it's a less endowment thing with he decided to call for backup to stop a taxi because he don't know, yeah, bad drive on Trinidad Road, very populated with taxi and traffic. We know we are aware that
he's trying to overtake taxi man can't cut him.
Listen to this, officer. I am also, I'm telling you this. Oh God, officer, what is your name, officer? Because I like to talk to ignorant people, you know. You see, ignorant people, I can't speak to ignorant people. I will talk to somebody sensible, and I see like you, I like how you deal it. I don't talk to ignorant people. I am a taxi driver also. As long as you put on your signal in ample time, what is it called? 15 seconds before switching lanes, that was done. I don't know what going on with Mr. Officer Ribeiro this afternoon. But he wasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 officers' time right now when serious crime could be solved with all your help. He wasting that. I don't know why. Because the man indicated he was going to swing wherever. I got a taxi driver too. As well as a clerical officer on the Port Authority. You understand, Mr. Ribeiro?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media that shows police officers within Trinidad and Tobago pulled over or stopped a vehicle and persons within the vehicle had been searched. Alright, and according to what had been said on social media is that the vehicle is a taxi. Well, according to what had been said in the video as well, it is said that the vehicle is a taxi, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, I would like to point out something. You see me, I would like to say that, you know, by complying, you know, you can actually see where things go a little faster. You understand me? I mean, to resist a search or to resist certain things that the police officer requests of you to do, it sometimes lead up to things being worse for you, the civilian. You get what I'm saying to you? So therefore, in my point of view, I think it is best to comply. You see me? And you know, some of the times when I say these things, persons on social media are saying, Dancehall Skilla, you're wrong. I understand, and each to their own opinion, but I'm just telling you what I think, you know, and I'm trying to give the best advice that I can. You see me? Yes, the best advice that I can. I'm just trying to tell you the best thing that I think is the safest way to handle a situation where persons have been stopped by the police and they are being searched or asked to be searched or so on. Even if you're being arrested, I think you should just comply, and if you have a complaint, then you just contact the necessary authorities. And that's my best advice or advices that I can give. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about what had happened in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.